no. Look at what happened. Oh, that snapped right off. And saw a lot of oil spilling out of this. I think I tightened this, put it back together, but this fell apart, so. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this with some new RPM parts. Link to that in the description. And some new Team Lossy Racing shock oil. And I'm going to go through on how to put that oil in. I'm going to show you on how to do it on this shock, not this shock. This shock is going to need some more than, yeah, whatever. So, first, we need to take everything off here, of course. Let me take this tire off. Wheel tire, whatever you want to call it. Oh. Sorry guys, I need a phone stand. Get off! I can use you as a phone stand now. Tire off now, you get the shock off. So, if I could somehow, one sec guys. That's better. More space. You probably can't see it, but there's a screw right there. And then, sorry guys. Come on, stay there. And there's one right here. You need to unscrew this and this. So go ahead and do that. And then your shock should just come off. Alright. This is a /4x4. 3S just has a 4 system in it. Some guy put it in. I don't know him. I got it from him. Well, he kind of ripped me off with the batteries. But how many people can you just trust right off of Facebook Marketplace, huh? Whatever. And I'm just a kid. I'm only 10 years old. Whatever. Let's, now that you have the shock off, you can take this screw off, and then that will let you take this off. Come on size. Bam! Now, this just pulls right out. there you go. Now you have access to this pin or this one. If you need to switch out this one, you can do it. This one, you can do that too. And I'm going to take this and I'm just going to pull that right up. Bam. Now take the correct one. Remember, the L, the letter is always on the top. Bam. Now, put that in. Come on, go in. Go in. Go in. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's in. Now you have this in. Now, all you have to do, put this right back on. Y'all probably know how to do that. Guys, that's on. Now, you have to put this on. Then, you'll put your shock back on. If you want to, you can actually change your order while you're doing this. But, really, the next and last step is going to be just putting this on. And then just putting your tire on, your wheel on. And then that's going to be the end of the video. So all you need to do is put that in there, screw it in. Oh, remember which hole your thing was in. Do that. Or you can take a look from the other side and check out which hole it is in. So you can put it in there. So guys, the way that you're going to put this in is you're going to take, oh come on, it's so hard. I need a phone stand, and if y'all subscribe, I will get one, and I'll be much happier. Okay, so there's this like slot in there. This goes in that slot. Okay, yeah, just slides right in there. Then this side is on the outside. Then you just put your screw in. Make sure the screw hole is in the correct place. And then once you screw that in, put your wheel on and you're ready to go break it again. Or should I say RTR? Or ready to be put on the shelf to play with it some other time. Or ready to race. I don't know. Whatever. Remember, guys, my next video is going to be on doing your shock. It's going to be published maybe right after this one or something. Maybe an hour after this one or something like that. If you even watch it when this video is, if you even want to watch it. And if you are viewing this, then I'm just telling you. It's not like you actually are going to view that video, but it's worth a try. Look at how nice that looks. That looks much more nicer, especially with like the blue motor and that, and the ESC. I say it looks pretty nice, but after this, I think I'm going to go bash it on the road, see if it is any good. And the results will be in my community page.